This video highlights the remarkable bravery of Henry Johnson, an African-American soldier who defended his post against a group of German soldiers during World War I. Armed only with a club and a bolo knife, Johnson fearlessly fought off the enemy for an hour before help arrived. Despite his heroic actions, Johnson did not receive In this section, we learn about Henry Johnson, a Harlem hellfighter who served in the 369th U.S. Infantry Regiment during World War I. Despite being marginalized and treated as a second-class citizen in American society, Johnson and other African Americans eagerly volunteered for the war in hopes of reducing racial bias. Assigned to the racially tolerant French army, Johnson displayed immense bravery when he single-handedly defended his post from a German sniper attack. He set up precautions, threw grenades, and fought off enemy soldiers, taking numerous hits and even smashing his foot. Johnson's determination to live led him to use his rifle as a club when it jammed. His heroic actions during the war made him one of the most famous African-American soldiers of World War I, although he did not receive the recognition he deserved. In this section, we learn about the extraordinary bravery and resilience of Henry Johnson, a soldier who fought off a large group of German soldiers single-handedly during World War I. Armed only with a club and a bolo knife, Johnson fearlessly attacked the enemy, holding them off for an hour until help arrived. The following morning, it was revealed that Johnson had killed 4 German soldiers and injured or killed 12 to 32 more. Despite Johnson's heroic actions, he did not receive the recognition he deserved from his own country, as racial prejudices prevented him from being acknowledged as the true hero he was. It wasn't until decades later that Johnson was posthumously awarded the Purple Heart, the Distinguished Service Cross, and the Medal of Honor.